Carol will present of the topic Law and Society and the Theory of Legal Concept. This presentation will explore the close relationship between law and society, the characteristic and function of law, and some important legal theories. We hope you find this presentation insightful and informative. Now, I would like to invite Hamid to start the presentation. Hamid, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Herta. Let's look introduction our first point yaitu Okay, thank you, Herta. Let's look our first point, introduction, law and society. Law and society influence each other and can be separated. Now arises from the need within society to regulate common interest. Without law, chaos will ensue because there are no binding rules. Okay, for second point, what is the definition of law? Law is a normative system consisting of rules and principles that are legitimate and enforced by the competent authorities, especially the state, with the aim of regulating social behavior, maintaining order, realizing justice, and ensuring the protection of rights and fulfillment of obligations of every individual and group in society. Okay, for the point legal characteristics, regulation human behavior to ensure order. Is coercive and binding, has clear sanction for violators, is created by an official institution such as government or state, aims to create justice and order. Okay, next, the function of law in society. Maintaining order and security in society, being a means of justice for all parties, being a goal for society and acting, protecting the rights and obligations of individuals and groups, being a tool for positive social change. What is society? Society is a structured group of individuals who live together in a shared territory and are bound by a system of social relationships, norms, values, and institutions that govern their interaction. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Hamid, for your explanation. Next, we will hear from Dika. We will continue with the next part of the presentation. Dika, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Herta. What is society? Society is a structured group of individuals who live together in a shared territory and are bound by a system of social relationships, norms, values, and institutions that govern their interaction. Next, the relationship between law and society. Law and society have a reciprocal relationship. Law arises from the needs, norms, and values that exist within society, while society needs law as a means of maintaining order, resolving conflict, and achieving justice. This relationship shows that law is not static, but dynamic and constantly evolving in lines with cultural, economic, and social change. Law as social control. Law functions to control social thought, behavior to conform to norm. Examples of social control law. First, traffic law to prevent accidents. Two, the criminal code to prevent crimes such as theft. Three, school regulation to discipline students. Next, what is legal theory? Legal theory is a scientific study that discusses the nature, purpose, and function of law. This theory helps understand how law is formed, applied, and developed. Function and purpose of legal theory. First, to provide a deep understanding of law and its application. Two, to become the basis for developing the regulation that suits needs. Three, to assist in solving complex legal problems. Four, to explain the relationship between law, morality, and society. Five, to help law students understand the theoretical foundation in legal practice. Okay, thank you. Legal theory positivist. Law is since rules established by the sovereign, the authority is thus not considered moral or justice aspect. It focuses solely on the written legal text. Example, a person is considered guilty only if they violate written rules.
Thank you, Zita, for your presentation. Now let's continue with Rusty, who will present the final part. Rusty, the floor is yours. The realization of the On the Q&A session, let me briefly summarize the main points of the presentation. Law and society are deeply interconnected as law provides rules to regulate human behavior, maintain order, and promote justice. The society gives meaning, values, and legitimacy to the law itself. Legal science not only explains how law is applied in practice, but also explores in the theoretical and moral foundation, showing that law is more than